to here. So in the corner, which is there, is another song from Germany in the red corner. Houston already has established his power close quarters, but what he likes to disguise is that takedown. Great wrestling up against the cage, dominant top control, has level change there to gauge the reaction from Son. There's double leg from Hudson. Excellent penetration and finish here to the top position. Son now in a much better position. Full guard, one overhook. Now he's in a position to maybe look for triangles and armbar submission, potentially Kimura's, maybe even sweeps, but the most important thing is to limit the damage, to slow the pace and the passing game. If you do that, you convince the ref to get this back to the feet. At least gets him off of his back here with a dominant wrestler in the top position. On the flip side of that, Houston's got to keep busy. He's got to work to advance the position or use central amount of strikes too deeply. He's active in the top position. Some strikes up from his back here, but it looked like he was trying to set up a triangle. Can be risky given that if you don't pull it off, that your opponent is able to shove the legs to the side and then work to side control. Now racking up the points here in the top position. And again, a smart tactic in the early stages of the tournament. We have multiple fights over multiple days, is to control the damage and the fatigue. It's often why you see the earlier fights of the week a much more tailored game plan to extend gently